Hello everyone, so today I will install CentOS 10, the latest available. I just downloaded it and I will install it on my Proxmox server, and I will try to enable the QEMU agent during the installation. So yeah, let's start. So I want to create a new VM. It will be my backup server. Okay, start with boot, yes. Okay, next. Then let's have the ISO. It will be a Linux, and yes, next. You need to do this check mark here if you want the QEMU agent to be enabled. The rest is default. Next. Okay, 32. Yeah, it's enough. Okay. I will leave everything to its default. Okay, next. Now I want to use the host CPU and give it the sockets. I only have 2 CPUs. Yeah, it's a very small thin client. Nevertheless, it should work. Let me give it 3 gigabytes. Okay, everything looks good. Next. Okay, so finish. And now let's see. Just wait for it to be created. Okay, it's done. Now work with the console because we need to install it. Okay, start stream. So I'm curious how much time this will take. This is a very old thin client. It's, the CPU is from 2018, I believe. But let's see. I hope I won't get any errors from the installer because the CPU is too old. It's an AMD CPU. I don't really know the model, but it's old. Okay, so the installer did not give me any panic warnings. Okay, so English, continue. Installation destination, custom done. Leave everything to its default. XFS, okay, done. Accept. Language date. Yeah, I want to enable. Set the password. Allow SSH. And we also want to create user 01. Password. done. Let's change the network. So I want to give it a static IP address. 680.14.2 24 6801 DNS servers 6800 and also 198 test lab test.com. Okay, and IPv6 I want to disable. Okay, save. Let's give it the same name. Server. Apply. And okay. Go down, and here in the where is it, installation software, select this one, yeah, this one. If you want the QEMU agent installed by the installer, then you need to check this one, Guest Agents, and it will know what to install. Okay, in time. Okay, start installation. I will pause the video because I believe this will take a little bit of time. I will get back when it's done. Okay, so the installation completed. We just need to do a reboot. And then we can check if the agent got installed. Let's go to hardware. ISO. Okay, and under summary, if we see here the IP address, then this is confirmation that the agent has been installed. I have two IP addresses. Yeah, I need to see. I don't know if I changed that to manual. I just wrote an IP. Yeah, that was the issue. Okay, this was it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.